our shoes are more than just footwear. They're companions on every journey. From the bustling streets of Bangalore to quiet moments at home, they carry us through countless experiences. They endure the daily grind, the long commutes, and the endless adventures, becoming a part of our everyday story. These shoes truly go everywhere with you, silently supporting every step. Day in and day out, your shoes face the challenges of urban life. They walk through office corridors, navigate busy travel hubs, and endure long days on your feet. This constant exposure to the elements and daily wear takes its toll, leaving them tired and worn. They are with you through every office meeting, every travel adventure, and every long day. Over time, these daily challenges lead to common problems. You might notice an unpleasant odor, a dirty and dull appearance, or even a change in their original shape. These issues can be frustrating, diminishing the comfort and confidence your shoes once provided. The bad smell, dirty look, and spoiled shape are real problems that need a professional solution. Many try to tackle these problems at home, perhaps by tossing their shoes into the washing machine. However, this often leads to more damage than good. Harsh washing methods can ruin the delicate materials and compromise the structural integrity of your shoes, permanently altering their shape and fit. Washing at home can ruin the shape and quality of your beloved shoes. Faced with these challenges, you might find yourself searching for a better way to care for your footwear. You need a reliable, professional solution that understands the unique needs of different shoe types. Sitting comfortably on your sofa, you reach for your mobile phone, typing in a common query, seeking expert help. You search for a shoe dry clean service near me. And there it is. A trusted name appears in your search results. Doorstep Dry Clean, a highly rated shoe cleaning service, stands out with its 5-star reviews and extensive coverage across Bangalore. This clear, professional listing instills confidence, assuring you that you've found the right experts for the job. Doorstep Dry Clean is a 5-star rated shoe cleaning service, serving all over Bangalore. With a sense of relief, you make the decision. The solution to your shoe care woes is just a tap away. You confidently press the call or book now button, taking the first step towards restoring your shoes to their former glory. This looks reliable, and you're ready to experience the difference. Doorstep Dry Clean makes the process incredibly convenient. Our professional team arrives right at your doorstep for a free pickup, handling your shoes with the utmost care and respect. This seamless service ensures that your valuable footwear is in expert hands from the moment it leaves your home. Enjoy free pickup and professional care right at your doorstep. Once collected, your shoes undergo a meticulous cleaning process. Our experts use specialized techniques, including gentle brushing, deep cleaning solutions, and careful drying methods. This ensures thorough cleaning while protecting the original shape and integrity of your shoes, preventing any damage that home washing might cause. Your shoes are cleaned carefully, and their shape is protected throughout the process. The transformation is remarkable. Your shoes are returned to you neatly packed, looking and feeling brand new. The dirt, odors, and creases are gone, replaced by a fresh, clean appearance that truly shines. It's an incredible before and after experience that will make you fall in love with your shoes all over again. They are fresh, clean, and like new. With your freshly cleaned shoes, you'll feel a renewed sense of confidence. Every step you take will be lighter, more assured, knowing that your footwear reflects your attention to detail and personal style. Confidence truly starts from the ground up. And with Doorstep Dry Clean, you're always putting your best foot forward. Choose Doorstep Dry Clean for unparalleled shoe care. We are a 5-star rated service,